Welcome back to Adventures with Pawpaw. Hi, I'm Pawpaw, everybody. And let me tell you something. Pawpaw hates technology. And I did this whole thing. And God, I can't tell you I hate technology. I bought these external microphones, lapel mics, plug into the phone and, gives it more crisp sound. Well, I videoed this whole thing and zip, no audio. So apparently it was dead and I didn't charge it. So I'm going to walk you through it. I'm probably going to have to voice over this. I apologize for that, but it is what it is, I guess. I can't undo what I already did. So let's take a walk over here and I'll finish up what I was saying. Okay, what I got here is I got a pneumatic stapler from Harbor Freight. I got 1-inch staples for the stapler. I got a 13-inch 6x6 block. I have 1-inch webbing, scissors or shears. I have tape measure and I have a lighter. So let's get started. I'll show you what I'm doing with these. All right, so what I'm going to do here is try not to knock over the camera. But I'm going to take this webbing, unroll some. I'm going to fold it over, okay, about 1 inch. I'm going to put it here, loop it up, fold it under to where my desired or your desired handle would be. Okay, that's about right there. I kind of like that. I don't want too much. So I'll take that, mark that, cut that about 1 inch. Like so. Now it's pretty windy out, so I don't know if this is going to work, but what you want to do, no, I'm going to take this inside. Come on, let's go inside. For now, let's see, focus, there we go. Okay, so I cut that, and to keep it from fraying, you just want to melt the end. It's nylon, so it'll melt. And then you'd want to melt the other ends too. All right, now let's go back outside. Okay, you guys still with me? Good. All right, so what I'm going to do is remember we got that rolled over? So we want to, see, look at that, 13 inches. So just cut it the same length as that, and roll it in 1 inch, loop it up. It don't have to be perfect, people. See? Loop it up just enough so that you can get your hand in there. Take your pneumatic stapler and run a few staples in it. I know my hands are wet. Okay? And you do the other side. You can get your hand, you can grab it. And there you go. I'm just going to put a few more in there because these things are heavy. And there you go. Look at that. Huh? Now I can reach under there. I can grab it without having to grab it. Whoa! Without having to grab it like so. Okay? I can just grab it. No, I can just grab it like this. All right, there we go. I'll finish them off and show you underneath the camper. as you can see, it's a lot easier. The footprint's smaller. Not only is the footprint smaller from my storage, but it's also less weight now that I'm carrying. And I put that grab handle on. So now, when I get under there, all I have to do is just grab that instead of fight with it. I could just throw it under there like so, and I'm good to go. I did all 5, 4 for each stabilizer jack and 1 for the tongue jack. If you like what you see, go ahead, hit that subscribe for me. I could really use the help. YouTube don't like me for some reason. I've been at this for 3.5 years now, almost 4 years. And they ain't sharing my videos. So why don't you do that? Share my videos, leave a comment down here if you like this video. And make sure that you watch all my other ones too, because I got some tips out there and I got more coming. So, hey, hit this subscribe and watch these 2 videos over here. All right? We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching Adventures with Paw Paw.